Essential for cabinet and furniture processing. Sanding machine. For machine connection. With fully automatic and for side, step-by-step sanding as the core, is efficiently suitable for various boards. First feed and sand the left and right sides. The machine automatically rotates the material, then feed and sand the other two sides, completing 4 side processing at one time without secondary operation. Fully automatic operation, no frequent manual operation. Simple operation, 1 key setting on the touch interface, quick to get started, stable operation. Leave your thoughts in comments or send me a private message.